everybody, this is Ishan from Smart Side, and Apple has finally announced their new iPhone 16 lineup models with the AirPods and the Apple Watch and iPhone basically. So Apple has said that like every time they say that this is the best iPhone ever. Yeah, basically the best iPhone ever in the lineup model. But in reality, is it actually worth it or is it the best? You're gonna find out today in this video, so stay tuned. So guys, we actually need to talk about iPhone 16. Apple just dropped the latest innovation, and to be honest, it's kind of disappointing because I woke up in the morning in a big hype, and when I saw the video, I was kind of depressed. What happened to the Apple we know and loved? Let's break it down, I guess. So, I think Apple needs to have a better upgrades. Part 1, the design. Let's start with the design. At first glance, nothing new, but when you look at it, it's so great because of the new blue color. I kind of like the color, and it's a new camera upgrade. Let's talk about that. But it looks like Apple hit a copy paste on last year's model. Like many memes, they probably just got late in making this iPhone. Same bulky knots, same flat edges, but it's kind of heavier for the Pro models and lighter for a normal iPhone 16 in a bracket. But you wouldn't notice unless you're switching from an iPhone 6 or 10, cause we need to talk about this. The cameras have changed, but when you start to process your mind and see, it's basically the same as iPhone X. So I'll rather buy an iPhone X rather than this, which is double the price. I don't know what to do. Second, the display. So, people probably thought, okay, fine, Apple's gonna make a different thing in that hurts. Yeah, I don't think Apple's gonna change it. And oh boy, where do I start? It's still in freaking 60Hz refresh rate on the base model and to the Pro models. Same. And I don't know what to say. It's 2024 and yet budget phones, even like 10k or no, in 10k rupees or even $100, $200 phones have a smoother displays. Like they have at least 120Hz, but we Apple, for a premier price, this feels like a total slap in the face. 60Hz. Apple, please. At least if you're an iPhone 17, please make it at least, I don't know, 80 or 120Hz. Section 3. The third one, the important one. Performance and battery life. Apple has hyped about its new A18 chip. Yes, it is powerful than the A17, but that's what Apple says. The A16, the A17 is powerful than the A16. The A18 is powerful than the A17. Yes, it's more powerful. You can play more games, and the gaming quality is actually so like immersive and great. It's fast in paper, but in real life, it feels the same because you're gonna open an app quickly, but it's gonna be same as iPhone 15. So, what do I do? I don't know. Okay, but the chips definitely make the iPhone a little more powerful. We can't disagree on that. Yes, and also the battery life is definitely longer, but Apple never mentioned how long. So September 20, we're gonna get the iPhone. So if you want to pre-order, it's your wish. And after Marcus Brownie and Mr. Yusuf's give reviews, we can maybe talk about that in the future videos. But now Apple has not mentioned it, and I don't know why. But they have said it will take at least minimum like a hour to charge to full 100%. So in calculation mathematics, 30 minutes. So in 30 minutes, 50% charge. It's way better, and we can do it. So charging is fast, but our fellow tech channels are not gonna leave. They ain't going back. Yeah, they're definitely gonna do some breaking and do some Tom Cruise stuff and put love on the phone and do all their best to make sure if this iPhone is top notch. And as for battery life, Apple claims improvements, but it's still the same as the last year model, but a little better. So next is the camera. Yes, the camera, like I said, the iPhone, which had 3 cameras, has now made to 2 cameras. Yes, and the Pro models have 48 megapixels wide and 5 times more zoom. And the last year's had a 3 times zoom for nice. But Apple said they made big upgrades, but in my opinion, meh. But then there's something that Apple has briefly told, the new camera button. We thought the iPhone 16 is gonna be way better. But in 2024, it's just 2 new buttons. Yes, the action button, we all know. What is this camera button actually? I mean, it has the same features. Like, what's the point of the action button? I think it's more easy. It's actually specifically for the horizontal like movement. I don't know, the vertical is kind of tough. But it's just for the zoom and make it more easier. And it's actually touch sensitive, so nice. But it's not worth $1,000. So let's be honest, professional photographers will notice the difference. For the rest of it, it's good enough, but not worth the extra cash. Yeah, the zoom still doesn't come close to what Samsung and Google offer. It's like Apple is years behind in this arena. But to be honest, Apple's always best in the camera quality, because in reality, only very professionals are going to use the 200 megapixel zoom. Yeah, but then Apple has made a new thing, macro zoom. I think, which I kind of like, because you can actually take a photo, and when you take a photo, you can actually zoom in a lot, so you can see a hair from your finger even when you take a normal photo, which is kind of sick and real. But at least the zoom is more better for the price they charge. So yeah. So talking about price, what is the price? You guys all know iPhone is always gonna be $1,000. So what about this year? Yeah, you don't have to make your own theories, because the iPhone is going to be $1,200. In India, it's going to be 1 lakh to 2 lakhs, which is like near $2,000 in America USD. So it's just the same. So if you have a recent iPhone and don't think about upgrading, the iPhone 16 is crazily overpriced for the minimum upgrades. Save your money, seriously. As an Apple fan, I know it's kind of sad saying it, but I think Apple fans, including me, you watching, let's all be honest. Let's save our money and wait until Apple makes the better version of themselves. So I think Apple's banking on the brand, but at some point we need demand from more of our money. So now, is the iPhone 16 a game changer? Not at all. If you're already in the Apple ecosystem, stick with what you got. Don't waste your cash on this one. But if you're interested in Apple Intelligent, you can try. But the only problem is, the fully Intelligent ain't coming soon, guys. Yeah, Apple plans to make the updates smaller. So it's going to release the updates in small quantities month by month. And some sources say that the whole Intelligent thing in the iPhone is going to even come next year. So what's the point in buying it when it's advertised that this is made for Apple Intelligence? I don't know. I'll just stick with my iPhone 11 for now. And if I'm going to upgrade, I'll just go with the 14 Pro or 13, because they are actually good. Not saying iPhone 16 bad, but for that much dollars, Apple should at least make a better, upgrades. iPhone Pro still has the same colors. Technically. Apple, can you just make some other color with that titanium? Why are you guys changing the gold colors in different shading gradients? I don't know. So that's it for the review. If you agree, hit the like button, drop your thoughts in the comments. Make sure to subscribe for more honest takes on the latest tech. See you next time, and